Hello, it's Monday, August 21, 10:54 in the morning, 2017, and we have a little ghost in the machine right here, and it's in stereo, Dolby on. That's what the machine looks like on the inside there. There's a picture I just took. Here's the inside like that. Here's the front of it. I shot a video last night that I just rebelted it. So here I'm going to give you just a little sample sound of how it sounds. Watch the tape counter, and I want to hit that. Okay, so that's how it sounds. That's what it looks like. I have a few more things I want to do to this. Cleaning issues basically, and checking some more switches and such. And good day, bye bye, hope you enjoyed. Gotta go.